When a sprinkler head is activated, you get a kind of fan of water coming down, obviously, from the ceiling. And the way it works is that it basically takes the heat out of the flames and out of the burning fuel. And because it's sprayed down in a sort of cone, it can very quickly knock a fire down. And in fact, you don't necessarily need a huge amount of water to do it. If people are in the room with the fire, if they're in the room of fire origin and the sprinkler goes off in that room, from the work that we've done, I would say there's a very good chance that they would be able to survive basically uninjured.
Studley Green also provides the perfect location for us to put sprinklers to the test.
These two houses behind me are wrecked and are about to be demolished, so we've decided to use them to carry out our own tests on sprinklers, which a fire brigade have kindly agreed to help us. They're going to set fires in both houses, one with sprinklers and one without. Then we'll all be able to judge just how much of a difference sprinklers really do make.
Both fires were started at exactly the same time, and within 2 minutes the sofas in both rooms were fully ablaze. At just 2 minutes 30, the sprinkler activated and fully extinguished the fire. Meanwhile, the fire in the unsprinkled house continued to grow. The fire brigade was forced to tackle the blaze after just 7 minutes to stop the entire house going up in flames. With the fires out, how did the sprinkler perform? The difference between the two rooms is clear to see.
Very little damage to the property indeed. In fact, no structural damage at all. Damage to the settee, of course, because that's where the fire started. But as you can see, our mannequin is unharmed, and this room could be made habitable again within just a matter of hours. The room and virtually all of its contents have been completely destroyed by the fire, which probably reached temperatures in the region of 800 degrees centigrade. Now, this fire was tackled by the fire brigade some 7 minutes after ignition. And in reality, the room would have been totally untenable to support life after only 5 minutes.